Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys. So you guys want to see what I got for my birthday trip, then just keep on watching. So if you guys are new to my channel, and if you guys haven't been here for what, the 5-6 years that I've been doing YouTube, if not more, then you guys may not know that I went to college in UC Irvine, and I tend to go to UC Irvine or like Newport or areas around that, like Orange County, for my birthday. So this year was totally different. We did not end up staying in UC Irvine or around Irvine. We ended up going to Newport Beach. We actually did whale watching. If you saw my previous vlog, you would have seen that. Whale watching. We ate at this nice restaurant called Blue Water Grill. That their lobster roll was amazing. Go check out that vlog if you have not seen it. So also in that vlog, you would have seen me going to the Chanel boutique at South Coast Plaza. So Hachi's drinking water. I'm so sorry. So if you guys want to see what I got, this is the video for you. So I got something from Chanel. This was something that was in my wish list, but not in this particular color. You will see what I'm talking about right now. So I went to the Chanel boutique again. I did not think I was going to get anything. Here's my little flower. Here's my little box. I didn't think I was going to get anything because I was on a no buy, but when I saw this, I was like, okay, I need to get this to match a certain bag. If you know, you know. So let's just do the unboxing. I'll talk to you guys more about the item and why I chose this. So again, if you guys have never seen Chanel wrapping, I did open it just to make sure the item was in there. I had that paranoia of thinking like they're gonna put the wrong item or like it's not gonna be in here. So yeah, I have to like kind of check it all the time. So this one was not a true unboxing. I did check it to make sure it was there, and then I wrapped it again. So it comes with the flower. This is the camellia, and it is in the paper because they do have another version which is like more of a cloth material. I think I have one of those, but they changed it to paper. So then this is how the box looks. I'm going to open it and share with you guys what I got. So obviously this is an SLG, small leather good. So I did not buy a bag because like I said, I'm on a no buy. Even on my birthday, I have to be on a no buy. So again, this is my Chanel box. You guys can probably already guess what I got. This is the bag. And in that video, my wishes, I did mention I wanted to get more Chanel SLGs. So I got myself another one. Let's see what I got. Dun, 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 dun. I got the black Caviar with gold hardware card holder. This is the gold hardware classic card holder. So this is the card if you guys are interested. And this is the back of the card. And this is how the card holder looks like. It has the gold hardware, black Caviar leather. I did have to ask for this card holder because they only had the silver one. So she was able to find me the gold hardware. And on the inside, it is burgundy and it says made in Italy on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. So I'm very excited for this card holder. I wanted this one to match with my Chanel bag. Let me go get it real quick. So I wanted this card holder to match my Chanel Coco handle bag. I did put a twirly on it so I don't mess up the handles. This was from my unboxing that I did with the consigner. So I did do it like that. After all, I do have to fix it, but this is my Coco Chanel medium size handbag, and I did want it to match with my card holder. As always, I wanted my burgundy one, but they did not have burgundy currently in the store or in stock, so I ended up going with the black gold hardware. This is the light gold hardware. and this one is the regular gold hardware, but to me they look very, very similar, so I didn't mind it. So I was very happy to get my hands on the gold one because it tends to sell out a lot, because this is like the common you know, metal that people want, the gold hardware with the black caviar leather. So I was so happy to have at least this duo together. I do have one that matches my, I do have a card holder, the beige one that matches my other bag, the wallet on chain in beige. So I do have matching little card holder and bags. So my next one is my burgundy one, but like I said, I just wanted to match together and just have a little set ready to go for date night or any other event in my life. So yes guys, this is again my Coco handle Chanel bag, my new Caviar leather card holder. It has two in the back to place your cards, one in the front and then one in the middle. I tend to put cash in the middle when I have cash. I tend to not have cash, but when I do, I put it in the middle. I do like how the quilting is so fluffy. It's so pretty. The smell of Chanel leather is so nostalgic. Guys, it's all that I got from Chanel. I know it was not a big haul, but it was just something I wanted to share with you guys. As always, I like to share things here on my channel. So if you guys like these videos, unboxings, first impressions, things like that, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.